Hi guys, it's Ann, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I have a confession to make. So I am a slacker, you guys. I've been so busy with the holidays and just life in general that I have not really done the Christmas crafting that I had envisioned for myself. So here I am. I went to my stash. Now, I have been on design teams for several years. I've created for swaps. I just like to make. The problem is, I don't always give away the stuff that I make. And I think that's my problem. The thought of packaging it, I don't know, it's just sometimes I get very flustered with swaps. So I don't do it as often as I would like. I just like to create. I guess it's just like my free will. But here I am. I need to use this. The good part is that I realized is that I love Frank Garcia's collections. His collections always spark joy for me, and they are always pink. So, Pink Christmas and Frank, they just work for me. And I pulled some of the stuff that I created, and good news, you guys, I still love it. So, the whole point of this is that instead of hoarding it, instead of putting it away, I need to incorporate things I make as well as things that people have sent me into the projects I need to work on. So I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I made over the time, and I'm hopefully going to incorporate this into my projects this year. It not only gives me a jump start, but I made it, so I hope whoever I send this to will enjoy it. I've also pulled out some trims from my stash because I have too much. And when it comes to shabby Frank Garcia's stash, I mean, his collections, these go so well together. So I'm super excited. Either I will use these or I will give some of them because I have far too much. And these are just too beautiful just not to share. I love these appliques. They're so gorgeous. And this is probably one of my all-time favorites tassel trim that I picked up from Ali. Now, if you want links to any of these, I'll try to find. If you have any requests, leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to pull them up. These are creations I have crafted over the years. So some of them might be a little bit on the older side. Anyways, let me show you some of the stuff that I am going to incorporate into my Christmas crafting this year. I have these wood deer heads that I probably created about 2 years ago. So I painted them, I gilded them with the gold flakes, I added some bows, and I still love them. So I'm definitely gonna use these. These are not finished on the back, but they are just simply adorable. I'm not really sure why I use purple bows, but we'll make the most out of it. So that is that. You know, I can't be a hoarder anymore, and my craft room really does not have the capacity for unlimited crafty supplies, so I really need to use some of the stuff that I make, and it's far too pretty to just throw out. Here is a wooden Dollar Tree ornament that I probably altered about 2 years ago, and I layered it up with some snowflakes. I have this frosty Christmas tree. There's some poinsettias in the back. I have this beautiful glitter deer. It says Hello Christmas. I have this little poinsettia number, and I went around with it for bling. How cute is this? And I made it into an ornament. So again, this is another handmade piece by me that I really need to use. I also have all of these, and I'm so thrilled. I have a ton. So I have these gingies that I had created, and look, they're all decorated for me. How cute. I also have, this is an older Tim Holtz die, and I did stamp the inside. I made them into little mini cards, and I love how these came out. Again, super simple and easy, but adorable. Oh, here's more gingies. I have them in pink. I even love what I did with the eyes. Like, I busted out that pink marker Oh, this is a tag that my friend Olga gave me. Look how pretty this is. Love this. More sugar cookies. Oh, this one is stuck. Okay, here we go. Sugar cookie cards. These are some Nuvo drops. Just got a little too sticky. But again, super cute. And this is an embellishment. Oh, my friend Olga made. So I don't know if I'm going to give this away because he's so dang cute. But again, I mean, it's a ton, right? I'm starting off on a good start, good inspiration. I have a tendency to just overlook the stuff I made in previous years and just start from scratch. Why do all the hard work, you guys? Here's another little dangly piece that I created, and it is a banner. And I made a whole bunch of these layered butterflies, and I added some of that, what is that called? Diamond dust on the wings. You can see that here. So I added diamond dust into the flowers. These deers that are so sparkly. I have a little Christmas tree, this big foam snowflake from the Dollar Tree. And apparently I loved Nuvo drops then. I love it now. Some things just don't change. And then I added a bead. Isn't that so cute? Like, I don't hate this, you guys. And then let's see. I have some embellishments that I created this year. Got that shaker skate. Yeah, this is another one I created this year. And let's see what else. Oh, see, look at this huge tag that I created. And I simply love it. I think I took some inspiration, or I did this for a group swap. Oh no, this is for a crafty meetup that I did with my friends. And I think this is the tag that I showed them how to make. And again, Frank Garcia style with the little pearl dots, this chunky monkey layered up. Again, how cute is this? What am I going to do with it? I need to use it. Here is another tag, and you guys, I'm in love with this too. It is a shaker tag. I use one of those ornaments. Just filled it up with some fun little sequins mix. I have this foam snowflake, that deer I used a lot. I have Frank Garcia snowman all glittered up. Here's this beautiful poinsettia flower that I made it super sparkly. And then I just added sequins here and there. I just love it. I love this little peekaboo of that tree in the back. Again, so pretty, you guys, right? I know I made it. I know I shouldn't even say it, but like, you know, if I don't hate it still, it means that either my style hasn't really changed that much, or I create things that, I don't know, that I can use and repurpose again. Here is this adorable little award rosette. And I love just how simple it is. Sometimes you just gotta find inspiration from your own crafting. Look how cute that is. On top of this rosette, a vellum rosette at that. So cute. That might need a little more glue. But other than that, adorable. Here is a memory dex card that I created. Look how cute this is. It's a shaker, and look at the shaker bits. Absolutely adorable. And again, Frank Garcia Studio. Love that deer. I must have been obsessed with him because I still have so much left and cut out. Here is this is another tag, and this tag must have been my original. But here is this shaker tag. Again, super cute. I added some pearls. I have snowflake. I kind of like bend the banner that I did stamp. Wow, I even stamped too. I have this beautiful poinsettia. I have a wood piece in the back, some seam binding, and then I added pearl drops all around. Super cute. If you were looking for inspiration, here it is, you guys. Oh my god, and look how cute this banner is. So I don't know if I have no concept of when I created this, but this is one of my resin pieces, and I added a little dangle as a dangle on top. I have this scribbly tree. I have a rosette. It's on top of this really pretty, kind of like a doily. This poinsettia that's from Heartfelt Creations. I love this die. Love this paper. I went again with Nouveau drops all around this snowflake. Again, so cute. And then I even stapled this little ho ho ho. And this twine is adorable. So it's a cute little dangling element that I can add on a package. And oh my god, you guys, I have, who put all this work in and doesn't give it to people? Like, what is wrong with me? So this says, hold on, there's a little tangling here. Okay. This says joy. And it is so cute. It's a little banged up because I did not put it in nicely. So, but I have little tuck spots here and there. Oh, that one's a little banged up. But I did do a little snowflake stitch on top. These are some wood snowflakes that spell out the word joy. I even added some sparkly, what is that thing called? Maybe Spectrum Noir to give a little sparkle. Here's a rolled rose that I created, and I added a little, what is that, paint? Glitterific kind of thing. So cute. I love it. Here is a shaker little ornament that I created. Again, look how cute this is. So cute. I love the fa la la la. It's probably one of my favorite dies. I love any layered sentiment, so this is so cute. And look, I stitched. I did all of that. I added the bejewels. Here's the back. I added this beautiful snowflake trim. So cute. Let me just take out some of this stuff. Okay. Here is this tag here. It's kind of like funky too because I added a whole bunch of like snowy drops, and then I added the diamond dust on top. I added this little rosette and this cute little house that I did bling out, and it says let it snow. Super cute. It's just a plain manila envelope. This is a Sizzix die that I did purchase last year, and I just made the embellishment. Like, come on. How cute is this? I added snow on the house. I added snow on the tree. I went around with Nouveau and created a little snowy scene. It's a Wonderful Life. I used some foam here. Adorable. Now, this used to be a 3D star. It totally got mangled. But look how cute this is. Apparently, I was really obsessed with adding the bead on top, which I think is so cute. I'm totally going to use that again. But this deer, again, I've obsessed. I added some of that green ruffle trim from Hobby Lobby. I added this little pink seam binding bow, this little sparkly snowflake, and this is so cute to just add it as a dangly element. Here is this another manila tag that I created, and I just added a whole bunch of pom-poms, and it gives it that snowy feel. So cute. Here is another banner. Bling dropped off somewhere. A little banner that I created. Again, a little bent, but still nonetheless adorable. Look, it has the bling. I even bling the flowers. I have my little Heartfelt Creation flower poinsettia here. I added a little butterfly, some snowflake stitching, this little banner. This deer is so cute. And I even added a little resin heart and some like sparkly bits, shimmer, like I don't know if it's Spectrum Noir again, but probably it's very sparkly and pretty. And in here I have some little bits and pieces and die cuts that I intend on using. Look, I have a whole bunch of these. So that is it, you guys. That is what I am doing this Christmas crafting season, is jumpstarting my own stash with my own home handmade goodies. And I hope you found inspiration by some of this. I know I did. I can't wait to really jumpstart my projects with some of these items, and I think it'll go well with what I'm going to craft this year with the Christmas Sparkle collection. So stay tuned for some projects coming up. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.